not very 1776 of us being here. Out of office. Must be nice. I hate it here. Out of office. Cool. I have to leave a message because another business is closed. Must be nice. Yesterday was Independence Day and we're still celebrating. So do it yourself. We're spending more money than we're making. I mean, all these lights in this economy. I didn't even drink yesterday because I knew I wouldn't make it in. Then what would this place do without me? If I were president, working today would be illegal. And so would unnecessary reply all.